boring, you guys. Guess what? TikTok got unbanned today after I posted all my drafts in my goodbye video. It's Sunday, January 19th. I forgot to show you guys yesterday. Look. So you guys know that green beanie I always wear in every vlog when I don't feel like doing my hair, when I'm just comfy, cozy, whatever. One of my friends made that for me. And she made me 2 more. Ah! She asked me what colors I would like, and I was like, ooh, like a baby blue or like a lavender. She made both. Lavender, and this is her brand, Atlas and Fern. I don't know if she sells these, but if she does, I'll put her link in the description. They're literally the comfiest beanies ever. This one's a smaller one, and then she also made me a baby blue one, and this one's a little bit bigger, so if I want, you know, different vibes. She also freaking made dish scrubbies.
Is that what those are?
Yeah.
I was wondering.
She made all of this stuff, which is so cool. Shout out to Grace, because these are so amazing. Atlas and Fern. Literally such a beautiful logo. Let's see, which one should I wear today? Blue? Oh my god, I'm wearing blue. That's so cute. Should I try on purple? Fuck, I'll try it on. Hey, this is a Washington coffee stand if you ever seen one. What you gonna get?
I'm gonna get iced vanilla breve.
I'm gonna get a iced white chocolate peppermint bark breve. Coffee! When I'm out of town, I be tripping, I be home. Guess what I made for breakfast? Cottage cheese protein bagels. Yurt. Matches my beanie.
Ooh, this looks good.
Okay. Okay, what do you think?
Good. Really good.
Does it even taste like cottage cheese? You guys, he hates cottage cheese. Does it even taste like cottage cheese?
Did you put cottage cheese in mine? Is there actually cottage cheese?
It's cottage cheese and flour. That's all the bagel is.
Okay, but I'm talking about on top of my bagel.
No! Trevor is working out here. Cutting some blackberry bushes down. He got all those. Hard worker. We're having the same thing for dinner again. I'm excited.
It's amazing.
You guys, Elisa and Trevor are playing a game right now together on stream, and it's making me so happy. Good, my dear. Thank you. Okay, hi guys. I hope you can hear me over Trevor's stream. But I haven't vlogged a lot today because, you know, it just got me down today. And I've been taking the last couple hours to remember who the fuck I am. I remembered who the fuck I am and watched me come back 10 times fucking stronger. So anyway, watching Trevor's stream tonight has literally fucking changed my entire day. It's been so much fun. Elisa and my brother have both been on the stream tonight, and it's so much fun. He's playing a scary game. So if you guys haven't watched any of Trevor's streams, you definitely need to stop in for them. I'll put the link right here. They're actually so entertaining. He literally is going to be the biggest streamer in the world. Mark my words. Okay, sorry if this is a shorter vlog, but I love you. Okay, so I just had a really long conversation with Trevor. He's peeing. I wonder if you can hear that. The final conclusion is that I need to put more energy into myself. And that's that. I need to start putting more energy into myself and the things I love, my brain, my vlogs, my passions, because I start putting energy into other things and other people, that's when I get the most lost. And baby just reminded me that.
More passion, more energy, more energy, more passion, more energy.
Do you have anything you want to say from our conversation. I just said that you basically helped me come to the conclusion that I just need to put my energy into myself.
Yeah, I feel like, what's the best way to put this? The most YouTube rated way to put this. If you're feeling doubts about your life, I feel like when in doubt, think it out. And I feel like people need to be more independent, and they need to be more like in love and in tune with themselves.
That's such good advice.
Is it?
It really is.
Okay, that's good.
Because I just had a little mentee bee.
She ranted to me for the past hour, would you say?
Not that long.
Okay, maybe 45?
It felt like that, but it wasn't that long. I just realized that Trevor is the most important person in my life.
I love you, Beams.
And he always helps me figure out things when I'm lost.
Well, I hope you make me feel like that because you make me feel like I'm bound. Because you make me feel like I'm happy in life. Yeah.
Anyway.
I just tasted your eye cum.
I love him so much, and he's the best thing that's ever happened to me.
And you're the best thing to ever happen to me. Because think about it, I found my dreams and my goals because of you. Right? I love you.
We realized that I barely filmed anything today, so we're gonna try to make something to add to the vlog. What do you think of my new beanie?
I love it. I love the color of it too. I love the fit of those beanies on you.
Yeah.
I feel like they look like ass on me because I have such a small, skinny head.
Try this one on because it's smaller.
Yeah, but like dork.
No.
Straight up. I look like a fucking gnome, bro.
No.
like.
Roll it up a little bit more. 90-degree angle ass. Roll it up a little bit more. You wore one today and it looked really cute though.
Yeah, that was different though.
I think you look cute.
I don't know why, but the consistency of Jell-O in my mouth right now seems like it would taste amazing. So.
Sus.
No.
Listen to me. Look at me. You're the best part of me, and I'm seriously, I would not be here without you. And I hope you realize that.
And vice versa.
But seriously, you're the best thing that's ever happened to me.
I know. I love you.
I love you.
Literally vice versa.
I just love you so much.
I love you so much. That's why you were just yapping to me for 45 minutes, and I listened. Like, I was trying to think of how to help you in that situation because, you know, like I said, I deal with things differently. So I'm trying to figure out.
Being mindful of.
Yes, I'm trying to be mindful of how you feel. Okay, so I have to beat this for how long? 2 minutes?
Yeah, constantly.
That's all you do to make pudding is just beat this together.
It's starting to get there. Close. It's definitely getting thick, that's the thing.
I'm trying these Nongshim noodles, and they're really spicy, and I don't do good with spicy things. Usually when noodles like this say spicy on them, usually they're spicy. So I'm not necessarily excited for this. I don't know if I'm even going to be able to finish them. The soup is literally red. Did anyone else as a kid just eat the ramen without cooking it in water? Mama didn't raise no bitch.
Oh yeah, look at that.
It tastes just like the vanilla one. It doesn't taste sugar-free at all.
I was gonna say it's vanilla.
That is really good. Wow. I didn't think I would like just plain.
That's what I'm saying, it's good.
That's just buzzing. Okay, that's it for the vlog today. Good Sunday.
Good lazy Sunday, but also very productive at the same time.
And he had a really good stream. And
Most people I've had in my stream since I got rated. I got rated at 41 viewers, and today I had 18 people in this stream. That's a lot of people.
we love you guys so much, and we'll see you in tomorrow's vlog.
Oops, sorry. Bye, guys.